It's running. There it is. Oh yeah, I never gonna. It works. It works. I just like that. The camera's changing now. Yeah, adding new stuff to MiLa. Just the stuff here. Can you even? Yeah, you can. Yeah, yes, you can. So yes. Okay, there we go. Okay, okay, okay. So what the heck? I think I accidentally like the touchpad. The touchpad dies when I leave it alone for too long. So it's probably because there's timeout thing. Anyways, yay, yay, yay. Sorry, functions. Oh, yes, and then we're setting. No, stop. Yay. Woo, 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 woo. Let's create that set. So if we have a function name function, yay. So arg here. So what happens is I could actually define an arg here, and then the old, so this doesn't become null. Now I think it does. Oh no, it doesn't become null. So we need to fix that. Just a second. So eh? Why is it one? Ah, did you book up? Oh, because it updated. See, so we have to do I minus minus here. So that's 0 again. Ooh, E. Aha. Okay, now that works. So now it doesn't just pass through, it actually binds here. So we can go here and actually go set arg 6 to 90, and that would actually work. Like, it doesn't change this. Back then it would be different args. This was like an inspiration from some programming language that I saw on YouTube as well. I think of that person. I forgot their name now. Oh, I like set them to the same number. The perks and not perks, not so good perks of having a favorite number. Anyways, yeah, 19. The reason why I type 19 is because they're right next to each other in the keyboard. Dumb reason, but yeah. So that also works. So if we provide like something, that should actually overwrite this. Eh. Uh, eh, 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 eh. What's this? Oh, we need to remove this. This. Bye. That shouldn't be null. That should not be null because I gave it an argument right there. Nandayo. 1 でしょ。こなんでしょうか。We're doing this because this is the last stuff. Okay, it works now. That's good. So basically, now if we encounter like a script that has this, and we don't invoke it from the CLI, it just returns a function. So like, for example, if we go run ourselves, this becomes our function. So now we can just go call ourselves like a function. And RC will not be, oh actually that's an dangerous thing because we need to now manually call that. We need to, I don't know, script, wow. So at least we have some idea. Maybe we should just remove the first argument, or we manually set it ourselves. Actually, we can just manually set it ourselves. Yeah. So yeah, this is just a text because so now we can just change this to V. Voila, voila. Yay, 0 view. Boom. Yeah, we can do that. Boop, bam, boop, bam, boop, bam, boop, bam, boop, what am I doing? What am I doing? What if I want to like pass nothing? Like nothing at all. Would it work for this? I don't know. Who knows? I don't know. But anyways, see example. Yay, chmod plus x files. There we go. Run that. Ooh. Okay. I don't know how to fix that. What if so? Wait. What? No. Wait. Why won't it work? Why won't it work? Why won't it work? Slash home should actually give us the full. Oh no, it doesn't. Oh, sad. I don't know what I'm doing. Anyways, yeah, it works now. Yay! Actually, it actually works. Like, I just gave the wheelchair. It's cool. It's not dangerous. Yeah, it's not dangerous. So, yeah, we support Shabangs. Only the first line. So we need to actually fix that. We don't. So, as soon as we do that, that should be invalid. And it's Oscar Pancre. Because I forgot how to like put the sublime text. In sublime text, sublime syntax. So yeah, because I don't know how to use regex. I use a regex at all. What? Oh, okay. Wow, I did not know that at all. Um, for a body, this is where we put all of the answer. Put, we just match the name. We just match. So, wow, it works. What? What? So we try to match that. Yeah. Oh, weird. Very weird. Okay, I guess that it's hacky, but it works. So, yeah, we only can we can only put that like that. Yeah. Hell yeah. It works. It works and it works. It's all very good. It works. Yeah, it works. How wonderful. It works. I can't believe it. It works. It works. I cannot believe my eyes. Where do I do this? Oh, that one. Oh, if I do this, it's gonna invoke the repo with the file name as it. Oh, look. Oh, okay. So it just appends the thing. Oh, okay. Oh, I see. I didn't know that that was the case. What? No wonder why you can like provide flags here sometimes. How find that out for us. It's gonna look for the literal version of file. Yep, but we're getting somewhere. That's actually cool. Okay. That was a hell of a lot of lag. There we go. So, yay. So there's two argcs because script name argv. Yes, it counts we captured. So yeah, it works. It works, and I'm proud of it. And yes, it does support default arguments. Yay! I'm tired. I might end the stream soon because I am generally tired. It's Sunday. I was just I'm tired for the day, especially since was it yesterday? I think it was yesterday. I played around with OBS and stuff. Is it just me or is the battery not charging? Oh, they removed the charger. No wonder. How did I not notice that before? Anyhow, so we have this. That's cool. So this basically just says, hey, this is how you treat scripts arguments. So basically now if we just switch it around, it's not gonna work anymore. It's actually gonna hang because it's in bad syntax. Yeah. It's actually great. Let's put that here. It's gonna overwrite the existing RxC and RB variables. And then voila! It acts like it was a function. It works. It works. Wow. Such a cool thing. Wow. 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 Wow indeed. Wow. 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 Wee. Hot damn. Yay. 0 views. Wee. Wee. I'm going crazy. Anyways, before I actually go crazy, full on crazy, I will now continue this. So, what else can we do? We need to implement something. Speaking of implements, now we have this. Go there. What other features can I add to MiLa that won't compromise I already created like an HTTP request thing with the help of clampers, of course. I'm not testing HQs here, I'm testing MiLa, and it does work. If you can see here, I can still not understand it. Don't worry, because if I'm not able to understand it, I won't be able to. I won't not put this here. So errors are there because it can't find MiLa for some reason. So anyways, yeah. So it's literally raw HTTP request parsing. So it parses the header. Header. Here's where it parses the header, and it's basically it's just the dynamic array here of where it's the header. What is the headers here? There it is. That's where it's initialized, and then we just parse this. And if we reach like an empty line, that's when the header like stops, and that's the body. This is where we do that. Yay! Then here's forget. Yay! For pulse. Yay! Then just some cleanup stuff, and then this is the wrapper. first. Yeah, that's literally all of the functions in there. It's just those four. That's about it. And up here is it's just boxes the URL, strips the HTTP and HTTPS prefix, and then this is where we connect. I don't know what this AFI net and socket stream is. I don't socket stream and I don't know what this is. This is the stream type, I suppose. Oh yeah, it is. So yeah, it's type. I guess it's type. This domain though, I don't know what it is. I think it's just I don't know. I don't know what this does. The protocol I guess 0 by default is something. Provide sequence reliable. Oh okay. Oh okay. No. Provide ground station connection, less mode, unreliable, just fix next. Sec packets. Sequential packets. Provide sequence reliable bidirectional connection mode, especially pass for records. A record can be sent using one or more output operations and received using one or more input operations. A single operation never transfer. Transfer is part of more than one record. Record boundaries are visible to the receiver via the message EOR flag. If the protocol argument is non-zero, it should specify the protocol that is supported by the address family. If the protocol argument is zero, the default protocol. Oh, okay. Value. Okay. Errors. So EAF no support. The implementation is for the specified address family. EM file. All files represented currently open. EM file. No more file descriptors are available for the system. That's something. E proto no support. Protocol is no support. Okay. E prototype. It is support by protocol. Okay. Script function may fail if E access the process not privileged. Enough insufficient resources were available to the system to perform the operation. Mem insufficient memory is available. Who were you running the program first? Application usage. Documentation for specific address families, specified which protocol. No. Rational. None. Future directions. None. See also. Okay. So. Oh. No. So now where were we? So this and then that's the socket in. That's why it's sin. Why is it named sin? Why is socket in? Basically. Hopefully. What is it? No, why are you anonymous? No. Oh, there it is. What in the hell? No wonder why it's E. So this is the start, I suppose. What the hell is that? Why? Oh, look at that magic number. My mouth is wide open because how did people make this? How did people how did people come up with this? This is the basis for the internet, how did people think about that? Like, what? Imagine if I made an operating system with MiLa as the primary scripting language. Yeah, I wish it was. Eto, I don't know what else to do. Like, nah. Hmm. 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 I'm Vince